Hey everyone! You're watching Pup Platter, where every meal is a celebration of joy and love. It's lunchtime, and after a playful morning, Tony is ready for a delicious midday feast. Get ready to see his excitement as he dives into a tasty lunch. That's sure to bring out his happiest tail wags. Join Tony for a cozy break, packed with sunshine, yumminess, and endless adorable moments.